Hello guys, welcome to another journey. We are out for snail hunting and catching crabs if we can. We'll be climbing the waterfalls up in the mountains. We are away from the road, off tracks, trying to explore new places again. As you can see, we have
I've collected
got,
few stones.
yeah,
Sorry.
crab is there. Snails are already there. We had stopped on the way. This is a crab, baby crab. We'll be eating this later. This one?
I'm collecting stones, so don't mind.
Yeah, no problem. We have Nirmal and Toto once again in our vlog.
Hi guys.
Finally, Pune is all green again, thanks to the rain. It's gonna be so beautiful to explore now. Almost there. Coco's plan is to reduce 10 kilos in a day. Let's see if we reach that goal. Here, let's go from here. This one. We just came from this dense place. It was pretty intense, full of thorns. And as you can see, the trees are filled with thorns. We are trying to go up, make our way. Hey! Slowly and steadily.
Having fun and going up. Oh shit, this is... Recording and climbing is difficult.
It is difficult and slippery. Nirmal is already all the way up. This girl is still sending email. Phone call going strong.
What happened? Stones?
I don't know why are we even here, all stuck. Guys, finally after the long trek, we are up here. This is the view. I have to say it looks pretty good. The water is flowing down from here. This is like the center of the waterfall. It's really good for a shower, to be honest. The water is so good and so clean. Did we find anything here?
No. We find anda.
Okay.
They're also setting. Go. Move.
Toto wants to shoot. She wants to be the main.
Hey.
What did we find? Can you show?
We did not find anything. It was the same snail.
Show your bag. Don't fall. Show with your hand. Pick it up. Snails. Few snails only. After all the long trek. Coming here on the hill. All for nothing. Guys, we are going down.
Show yourself what is that.
Full of sweat, so tired. Our legend Chetri is Captain Leader
guys.
legend. Chetri is leading the way with the new haircut.
After retirement.
This is Toto. That's my wife, Frida Mushungo.
See, come here.
Coming.
Not sure if this
Like
is
a
edible.
duck walk.
Shall we block one?
Yeah, let's pluck one and show it to our viewers.
No, I don't think this is edible. But this is so beautiful. The door picture khulo cha.
And yeah, so many mushrooms on the tree.
Comment down below if it is edible.
Yeah, let us know if it is eatable. Then we'll come here next time to pick it and cook it in front of you guys. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Hi everyone. So now we are here looking for we want to cook and eat something, so we're looking for the places. How I can show you. Let's see. See, it is so beautiful.
खाली महिना डोंगरची महिना.
As you can see here, there are literally so many. I hope you all can see. We'll be plucking it later. We are ready to cook our food. We have found our spot. We'll be setting our picnic over there. And yeah, let's get started.
We will eat over here.
Honey, what is that?
I don't know the name in English, but this one we also, make chutney out of it. But since we forgot the veggies, we are cooking this today.
Okay, you
Yeah,
eat that in your hometown.
Yes, it is very tasty.
Wow, looks good.
Yeah, it's very beautiful as well.
On the other side, the rice is getting prepared. So we'll be eating flour, chicken, and this veggies, huh? Natural.
I'll see if there is more flour.
Yeah.
I saw one more flower, so it's over there. I'll climb. Let's see if I can climb.
Risking it all for the flower, huh? Let me go from here to show you. It's here.
Where is this? Here, no.
Ah, it's nice, full of water.
Let me check here. No more. You found anything else?
Our favorite one for the vlogs. Nice.
Wash it here now. Lurky, here.
No.
It's okay. So this flower also na should we go and pluck that?
Instead of eating in a hotel, this is what we prefer. Come outside, spread your legs, and cook yummy meat. See the pieces getting cooked very nicely. And our favorite leg piece. Let's go.
That's going to be yummy.
Looks yummy. Looks good. Give it to Chetri.
Chetri.
This is mine. Here, baby, leggy and necky. Ooh,
Almost. Huh?
almost. Let's go.
Don't put it this side. Put it here.
Where? My God. Well, guys, as usual, gonna start with this one. Perfectly cooked. Very yummy.
She was saying no, she's too hungry now.
That's what, no?
What time? In the morning. After that, we eat so many stuff.
We did so many stuff, but we didn't eat anything. Let's impress her, guys. My lady.
Do you like it?
No!
It was straight from the heart.
I've got so many Kali Mainas, no? This one for
Yeah.
Nirmal. So those is already in the bag. This one is
This is straight from the jungle. I
Yep.
think it's around 3 kilos of kali mana. Like every time we
Mangoes
take
is
it.
there.
Yeah, mangoes is also there.
So we're also taking this one home.
Given by Nirmal to Toto.
Toto.
Straight from the heart. Okay, let's go. Time to wrap up the vlog. Bye guys.